What's up, guys? It's Brad. Chill vibes outside. Today, we're doing the first video for the channel. Gonna be removing this handle from this knife to make my own custom-made handle. Let's get into it. Oh yeah, here we go. Boom. There she is. So this knife here is what we call a boning knife. It's just used for cutting mainly beef and pork, lamb, things of that nature. I want to make a nice handle for it, which is something that I have never done before. See how it goes. Hopefully it turns out good. This is going to be sort of my bush food working knife, I guess. Henry. That's Henry. Yep. All right, we're almost there. It is time. Chill vibes outside. Like and subscribe. We're losing pieces. We're just gonna mark this. Let's look and see if I have anything that's even going to work. I have a crazy idea. This thing is really old, really out of tune. Thought maybe one day I would fix it up, but it's just not gonna happen, guys. But I'm noticing is that there's these metal pins on the end, and I'm wondering if I can use these. Those things are in there. Let's try the knife. Might have to go another route. You know, kind of at a stalemate right now. Not really sure what I'm gonna do with this guy. Actually, I wonder. This bad boy's going in there. This is kind of a last resort thing. I've had this thing forever. I got it for like $15. So what I'm gonna try and do is just burn this thing, save some of those metal pins that are in it. We'll see what happens. That's coming apart nice. All right, guys, getting the pins out was a success. That was cool for a moment. We shall see. These pins will fit good for the smaller holes, the bigger ones that I'm worried about. I think those will do. We're just gonna wing it and see what happens. All right, what's up, guys? It's day 2 of me trying to put this knife handle together. I had to grab some stuff from the hardware store. Let's take a look at the haul here. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to drill my holes in the block. I don't have a clamp or anything, just tape it and then drill it from there. Let's start drilling. Shout out to the homie Connor for letting me borrow this DeWalt drill here. Get this tape off and see what we're looking at. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and hammer these 2 smaller pins into those smaller middle holes. Hopefully that's in there pretty good. Finicky hammer work, but we got it. Perfect. Kind of. Get my blade on this side with some super glue on both sides. Just try and hammer it together. Some more gloves. Gloves, 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 gloves. Wow. Some ghetto stuff here, you guys. It's not gonna work. Man, Try to figure something out here real quick. Oh yeah. It's a little embarrassing. I'll edit this part out and make it look like I knew what the fuck I'm doing. Okay, you guys, let's go. I mean, I hope that glue holds. Go ahead and use up some of this other one here. All right, let's leave that overnight and hopefully it sticks. It is day 3. We're almost done. I have the blocks on the knife. I just need to get them sanded and hopefully I get a good shape out of it, but we'll see what happens. All right, I'm gonna get this orange tape off of here. We're just gonna start sanding. All right, I'm gonna start with a 60 grit on the sander. Just try to take as much wood off as fast as I can. That's not working. So the sander's not gonna work, but I have these wood chiseler tools. So we're just gonna go with that. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, so this part was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. Turning out kind of decent. Just gonna whittle it a little bit more, throw a stain on it, and then see how it goes. This feels good in the hand. I think I'm happy with where it's at. Alright guys, so I got it all carved up. I got it sanded down. For my first time doing something like this, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Alright guys, it's day 4. Hopefully today I'm going to finish up carving the handle and then hopefully get it stained. And hopefully that is it. It's been fun. It's actually, the knife has turned out a lot better than I thought it would. So I'm pretty happy about that. We'll see how it goes. I think one more time through and we should be good. I don't know if that means that that is bad or if that's how it's supposed to be. We'll let that settle. Let's see if this cooled off. It's not pretty, but we don't want it to be. Let's try and smooth this out. I think I'm liking the way that feels. I think that's good, you guys. Let's get a finish on this thing. I think it's gonna be pretty clean, guys. All right, gonna let this thing dry probably overnight. Might check it here in a little bit, but after that, I think we're looking pretty good, you guys. I think we're almost done. All right, guys, this sheath is pretty sick, not gonna lie. I'm gonna shove this rolling pin in there and kind of just stretch that leather out so my knife handle fits in there just a little bit better. Alright guys, so I started this project with 0 experience and I am super happy with the way it turned out. It's a lot better than I thought it would be. The handle is actually pretty sick. Got the paracord. It's not the best handiwork I've ever seen, but for the upcoming adventures for my YouTube channel, I think it's gonna do the job right. So if you're into outdoor life, fishing, camping, hunting, foraging, mushrooms, anything like that, like and subscribe. Follow me for the next video and for the next adventure. I hope to see you there. Thanks, guys.